All characters appearing in this work are fictitious and for entertainment purpose only. Any resemblance to real persons, living or dead, is purely coincidental.
Martin, are you sure that this is the best coaching institute for finance?
Yes, Surya, this is a very good institution. I've heard of this. And one more thing, this is near to our office, right? So we can manage our office timing as well as our class timings. I actually called Arun yesterday, but he told that he's not interested in these academies. He's telling like these institutions, work only for fee and they don't work on the quality of education. So I don't think he'll be coming.
I think we should leave early and let's inquire about it, Martin.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Has the class started?
You are very lucky people. Actually, all the seats were filled yesterday itself. But today morning, three of them called to postpone their batches to the next session. So I think I can admit you people in those seats.
Oh. And one more thing, how is the course fee structure, ma'am?
Actually, we have the lowest fee structure compared to other coaching classes in the city. Earlier, we were charging 40,000 for both group and 25,000 for the single group. But now it has reduced to 20,000 and 15,000 because of the COVID pandemic.
20,000? It's such a huge amount for us.
What students? We are giving 50% discount. And think, once you become a chartered accountant, your one signature will give you 1 lakh or more. For that, you can't even pay 20,000 now.
Yeah, that is okay, right? Okay, ma'am. Then we'll do one thing. We'll bring the fees tomorrow and we'll register ourselves tomorrow then, ma'am.
Not need to pay full amount now itself. You can pay just an advance and can book the seats now.
Oh. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Guys, now we have only 3 more files left for filing. Am I right?
Yeah, thank God we can wind up all our work by 7 itself today. No need to late see how we did in the last year and all.
Hey Martin, don't be so happy. I don't know whether you are remembering the previous year. Previous year also we are almost finished like this. But what happened? Last time that friend of sir came with 4 more works. That made us to sit till midnight.
What happened, Surya? Why are you looking so dull?
You know one thing, the friend of sir came up with 5 more works. Now the sir will ask us to sit late night and work. I'm done with this man.
Oh no. Why sir is doing like this? Actually he has to tell him that no work will be taken on the due date.
Hi students, we have completed all our works now.
No sir, we have to complete 3 more works.
Only 3 works that we can finish. You each take 1 work each. We can finish it couple of time. But that is not the problem. Actually my friend is came and he want me to do his 5 works. Only 5 works more. We can finish it. I will be sitting here. Okay. Don't worry. I will be sitting here. And Surya, you please call parents and tell them you will be a bit late today. I will drop you. Okay. Don't worry. I will drop you at home. Okay. I will be sitting here. No problem. We can finish. Okay. And okay. One thing more. Night food. I am sponsoring this night food also. Okay. Set.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hey, anyhow, we are used to sit late nights, right, for all our works. The only thing what made me control was that sir told that he'll get us night food. That's why I'm sitting today.
Yeah Martin, me too.
Mom, hi mom. Today I'll be a bit more late, mom. We've got some more works to do. You do one thing, you don't keep food for me today. Sir has promised a night food here itself. Yeah, sure. Okay, mom. Bye bye. Good night.
Don't worry, I will be there within half an hour. Don't worry. Okay. I am coming. Okay. Arun, Martin, I have to go home right now. Please, I have an emergency. You carry on. My laptop is there and DSC is also there. You carry on the work. And Surya, you come with me. I will drop you at home now. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow sharp morning 9:30 a.m. Okay, bye.
What's this, bro? He escaped just like that? And you heard what the last sentence he said?
Yes. See you tomorrow at sharp 9:30 am.
What a pathetic situation, yaar. We have to leave our office by midnight and then again come back to office sharp by 9:30. I don't know what kind of life this is.
This is our fate, bro.
Then what about a night food?
Oh no.
Oh God, he's coming towards us.
Who is coming?
That Russell, he'll frustrate us all in our studies. I am having a little bit of confidence and I think he'll come and ruin that also today.
Don't look at him. We shall continue our studies.
Hey guys, you're not finished yet. Only 30 minutes left for the exam. What are you studying now? You see, we have to stop studying 1 hour before the exam. You see, I'm so cool. Guys, are you studying this chapter? This won't come, I'm damn sure. I have made a strategical study. I say I have been using this chapter for the last 5 years. So I'm damn sure this year this chapter will not come. Have you studied that second last chapter that most of the faculties have told you? You can skip that chapter also. I'm damn sure it will not come this attempt.
No, yeah, this is not important right for this time.
No man, we are all gonna lose this time also. I say we'll ask 15 to 20 marks question from the second chapter. What about to say? We are all gonna lose this time also. I have no time. Now all the best.
Okay, thanks. All the best for your exam too.
All the best, bro. Do it.
Thank you, Rizal, and all the best to you.
Have you seen Naveen?
No, bro. I didn't see him.
You should have reached by this time. Why is he so late? Or else had he been passed in this last attempt? Thank God Naveen is there. I thought he should have passed in the previous attempt. So guys, we don't have to worry. So see you next time. Let me go and give some advice to Naveen. Bye.
Oh no, what a kind of person is he? Now he's going to discourage that Naveen.
Never mind him, guys. Arey yaar, there is no time now. Anyways, all the best, guys.
All the best.
It is 2 p.m. now.
Yeah, it's 2 p.m. Why? What happened?
Result will be published today 2 p.m.
Yeah. I was actually planning to take a leave today.
Then why not took?
Surya asked for leave yesterday itself, it seems. Today morning he called sir to ask for leave. He told that Surya is already on leave, so he could not give one more leave. That's why he had to come today.
What happened to her?
Nothing. She is also very much tensed about the results. She told that if she comes to office today, she won't be able to work even. She won't be able to concentrate on her work today.
So today is your results coming now. Don't think about that. Let it come. Anyway, all the best both of you. Okay, Arun, what about the financial statements that I gave yesterday? Is it complete? Please complete it fast. Then Martin, what about the project report? Is the draft report ready? Then send me through mail. Okay.
5 minutes later.
Arun, have you checked the results?
Surya, result published? Oh god.
Yeah, the results were published at 2 only. And you know, Arun, I got first group. And for the second group, I have failed in one paper. And what about your results?
Surya, please do a favor for me. We will send you our roll numbers. We have no courageous to check our result from this office. So please do it for me.
A few minutes later.
Sorry, Arun, you haven't cleared this time. But you got one exemption in second group. And also Martin got 2 exemptions in each group.
Anyways, congratulations, Surya. Again, we'll have to work hard for our next attempt from today itself.
Yes, Martin. We have no time to waste. First group, we all can have combined study. Next attempt is ours. We will definitely win that attempt. Yes, sure.
Hey, what about Russell? What happened to his results? He should have passed surely, but this time.
I have called him, but he is not picking up the call. I think better you people try.
Hi, Russell. Have you checked your result?
Yes, sir. I passed only one. Only one.
What? One group pass or one subject exemption? What's it?
No, bro. I passed only one subject.
What happened? You did the strategical studies all right?
But ICA had changed their strategy.
No problem, bro. We also did not clear. Let us work together and definitely win the next attempt.
Okay, bro. We'll clear it in the next day. Oh God, why this to me?
Hey Surya, are you alone? Your parents are not coming with you.
No, auntie. Since they were having another function, they went for the same.
Then what else? I heard that result came on last Friday. What happened?
Yeah, I have got one group, but the other one is still remaining.
Oh Surya, I feel very sad about you. I thought you might have cleared both the groups, but you have to study everything again, attend classes, those late night studies. If I was in your place, I would have quit the course.
No, auntie, I won't quit. I'll pass the next attempt, and I'm damn sure about that.
Why are you getting angry on me? Anyway, all the best for your next exams.
Yeah, sure, auntie. Thank you. And why you both seem so tensed?
You can say that easily because you are already cleared one group.
Hey, no man, we are all going to pass this time. We've all studied really hard this time. I'm sure of that.
That was true. No phone, no WhatsApp, no movies. I'm sure we'll get this time. And also in previous attempt we have skipped some portions. In this attempt we have covered all things now. I'm sure we'll get this time. Oh my god, the results got published.
Oh god, I am going outside. You guys just do one thing. Here is my roll number. Just check my result and call me after 50 minutes. Only if I passed both group, okay?
Oh my god, I passed, Martin. Yes, finally I got it.
Congrats, Surya.
Martin, you have also cleared the same. I told you now. Our efforts are worth it.
I know, I have failed. Otherwise you would have been called me.
Hey, silly boy. We three of us are chart accountants now, da. You know how much times I tried to call you? Your phone was switched off. Anyways, congratulations.
Wow, that's great. I had switched off my mobile phone from today morning to avoid unnecessary calls.
Hey, anybody called Russell?
I tried to call him but got the reply that his number was not existing. Better, he might be clear also. Let's hope for the best.
completed the first stage of your life.
Yes.
Do you have an idea on our IPCC studies?
Actually, there are lots of coaching classes in the city, but friends advised me to select Confident Academy.
Why? What is special there?
It's an academy run by a chartered accountant. He himself took 2 subjects, and for the remaining subject, faculties are coming from Chennai and Mangalore.
What is his name?
C.A. Russell. And do you know what is his motto? Be confident, but don't be overconfident. Do you want to see him?
ബീജമുട് ടാൻ 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 ടാൻ